To dial an extension internally, either enter the number and press call or lift the receiver. Or if you have soft keys on the phone, as seen here, just press the soft key that you require. To make an external call, just dial the number you require and either press call or lift the receiver. To answer a call, either press answer or lift the receiver. To adjust the volume of your phone's ringtone, press the volume bar at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is the same for on-call audio, just make sure that the receiver has been picked up before you adjust the volume. To put the phone into speakerphone mode, just press the bottom right speakerphone button. Volume will now come out of the speakers here. Test. 1, 2. To mute a call on the T85W, just press the mute symbol button located below the center screen. It will highlight red, it will show mute on the screen, and then to remove mute, just press the button again. To put someone on hold, just press this second button on the main screen. And then to resume the call, press resume. To record a voicemail message, IVR or auto attendant message, or your open and close mode, dial *732.
ID number.
Enter an ID number. Just remember to give this to the person at Tel Group.
Recording started.
Record your message at this point. Then once you're finished, press hash. Record your message at this point.
To save the recording, press 1. To re-record, press 2.
Press 1 to save.
Saved.
Then call us on 0800 652 1900 or email us at helpdesk@telgroup.co.uk and let us know what the message is for and the ID number assigned to it. Once you've received a call that's been missed, it will show up as one new missed call like so. You may also see a symbol in the top right to say that you've missed the call. To view these missed calls, either select view like so or navigate to history on the phone. Anything in red is a missed call that you've not viewed, and anything in white is a call that you have viewed. To call the person back, just select call or pick up the receiver. Once listened to, you'll notice that the symbol has been removed from the phone. To forward a call, press Menu, Features, Call Forward, select the call forward that you prefer. To always forward a call, select Always Forward, select On, and then dial the extension that you want to forward your calls to. For example here, we're going to forward to 1001, and then press Save. Now all your calls will be forwarded to that extension. For example, if I now dial extension 1000, it's going to forward the call to 1001. If you don't want to receive calls on the T85W, just press your D&D button, which stands for Do Not Disturb. Once pressed, you'll notice that there's a warning on the top of the screen to say that D&D has been enabled. If you want to disable this and receive calls again, just press the D&D button again. To do a call intercept, also known as a call pickup, when you see the call coming through, press ** followed by the extension number of the call you want to pick up. This intercepts the call, and now you have the call that was meant for extension 1001. To do a group pickup, which picks up any call currently on the main number, dial *8, and that intercepts any incoming call. To action a blind transfer on the T85W whilst on a call, press transfer, dial the extension you need or press the soft key along the side, and then press blind transfer. That will send the caller directly to the extension without giving them a warning. To do an attended transfer, also known as a warm transfer, press the transfer button, dial the extension that you need or press the soft key along the side. Let the person know that the call is for them and then press the transfer button. When actioning an attended transfer, you may find that the person on the other end doesn't want to receive the call. In that instance, just end the call with the person you were transferring the call to, and then press resume call to let the caller know that that person's unavailable and so that you can take a message or try to transfer them to someone else. To set up a conference call with 2 or more extensions, either dial the extension that you need or press the soft key along the side. Then press conf or conference. Dial the next user to join the conference and call it. Then press conf or conference again. Now both parties are going to be in the same conference call. To end the conference call, just press end call. To access the pre-populated directory, select Directory, Remote Phone Book, Local, and then your list of extensions should be pre-populated here. For example, to call extension 2 or 1001, just hover over extension 2, 1001, and press call. To add your own contacts into a directory, just select Directory, Local Directory, All Contacts, and select Add. From here, you can enter the name in of the contact that you want. In this case, I'll put my own name in. Add the extension number and office number. And then feel free to add your own mobile number or the work phone number and select either the account manually or leave it auto to select for you. From here, you can change your ringtone and then just press save. From now, whenever you go into the directory, the name will be displayed here. You can just call the person.
Please enter your password.
To set up a speed dial or soft key, just hold down the button that you want to change. Select the option that you need. In this case, we'll go for a speed dial. Keep it as line 1. Set the label to whatever you like. And then change the value to the number that you wish to dial. In this case, we'll do 1001. Now whenever you press this button, it will call the number that you need. For an internal call, we recommend changing this to BLF. And just set the extension to the same as the value. This way you can see when the caller is free or when they're unavailable. To record a new voicemail message, press the voicemail button.
Please enter your password, followed by pound.
And follow the prompts.
You have 0 new messages. For advanced options, press 5. To record a greeting, press 1. Choose a greeting between 1 and 9. Record your greeting at the tone. Press any key or stop talking to end the recording.
Hi, this is Arthur. Please leave a message after the tone.
To listen to the recording, press 1. To save the recording, press 2. To re-record, press 3. To message saved.
Now that your message has been recorded, you can now apply the message by pressing the voicemail key.
Please enter your password, followed by pound.
And follow the prompts.
You have 0 new messages. For advanced options, press 5. To record a greeting, press 1. To choose greeting, press 2. To record your choose a greeting between 1 and 9. Greeting 9 selected. To record a greeting, press 1. To choose greeting, press 2.
To access your personal mailbox, it should pop up as a notification on the screen like this, where you can just press connect to listen to it. Otherwise, just press the message key located on the phone.
Please enter your password, followed by pound.
Then just follow the prompts. By default, it should be 1234 hash.
You have 1 new message. You have 1 saved message. New message number 1 from 1001.
Hi, this is a test voicemail from Arthur at Tel Group.
To listen to the recording, press 1. To save the recording, press 2. To hear the message envelope, press 3. To return the call now, press 5. To delete the recording, press 7. To forward this message, press 8. To forward the recording to your email, press 9.
Typically, you'll press 7 to delete the message.
Message deleted. You have 0 new messages. You have 1 saved message. To listen to saved messages, press 2. For advanced options, press 5.
And then to exit the menu, just select your button,
You
like
have
so, and press
0
End
new
Call.
messages.
To access your group voicemail boxes, just select the key that's been assigned on the handset. As you can see here, we have an absence voicemail that is coloured red to let you know that there's a message waiting to be listened to. Just select the button and follow the prompts.
Please enter your password, followed by pound.
The default password is 1234 hash.
You have 1 new message. You have 0 saved messages. To listen to new messages, press 1. New message number 1 from 01905814227.
Hi, this is a test voicemail from Arthur at Tel Group.
To listen to the recording, press 1. To save the recording, press 2. To hear the message envelope, press 3. To return the call now, press 5. To delete the recording, press 7. To forward this message, press 8. To forward the recording to your email, press 9. Message deleted. You have...
To action a Tannoy, either dial the Tannoy extension, in this case *91, or press your Tannoy soft key button. This creates a live message that goes through all of the phones simultaneously, and to end that Tannoy, either hang up the phone or press End Call. To action a lockdown on the T85, either dial your lockdown extension, in this case *90, or press your lockdown button.
This is a lockdown. Please lock all classroom doors until informed by authorized person.
To end the lockdown, press End Call, and this will stop the message playing from all of the handsets. If you wish to change the lockdown message, just get in contact with us at techsupport@telgroup.co.uk or helpdesk@telgroup.co.uk.